Hey guys, today we're in Bagni di Lucca, which is just over my shoulder, down into this valley, and it's a really famous old hot springs town here in the I mean, we're only about 10 miles, 15 kilometers from the border of the end of Tuscany on the north side. And just for example, the first casino in all of Europe, first public casino, was here in Bagni di Lucca. That's how important this town was. And what we're going to be looking at today is a villa from about 1900. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths with an office, has living room, dining room, has a kitchen, has a pretty well done cantina downstairs. It's in good shape. Everything's functional. It could use an updating, but in general, it's a really nice house. And it's for sale for about 350,000 euros. That's a lot of house for a little bit of money. And you can tell, just for example, look at the entry gate. Look at the work they had done here. So let's just get inside and start taking a look at this thing. The weather's turned. It's almost summer all of a sudden here. So it's hot out here in the sun. And they're going to be calling in a gardener soon and taking care of all the gardens. The owners do not live in the house right now. So, but anyway, let's get inside and see what we have. This is a 1900s Bagni di Lucca villa.
Hello.
And that's a 1970s wife. Wow.
I know.
Traditional kitchen, boy. I see the gas stove underneath the cloth. The rest of it I'd need a lesson on. Yeah. Nice sink. I like the sink.
Yes, I know.
Really pretty. So a lot of cabinets. It's not the world's biggest kitchen, but
You have a dishwasher,
yeah, I mean, it's been modernized at some point. I'm guessing in the 80s maybe.
probably.
Interesting sink. I like that. Solid stone. We'll talk about it more later when we go in the cantina, but down here, you can just make out the outline here of a pool that they filled in. I don't know if it was permit issues or what, but they filled it in. But you can go back to the city and get a permit and put back the pool. The pumps and things are already downstairs. The house seems like it's in really good shape. I don't see any water stains at all. Very nice. Gosh, it's so cool in here compared to outside. Today's the first really warm day of the year, like 28 centigrade. And so this comes back out into the front. So again, out of the area owners, they have a company coming to do the annual clean out of the garden on May 10th. Today is April 30th, so we missed it. So they apologize for
Yes.
all the...
You see all the collection?
Wow.
I mean, every single size that you can find in there, even in the table.
Wow, that's a lot of silver.
Yeah. I mean, look over there. It's
Wow.
everywhere.
No wonder there was a big alarm system. Okay. So big entryway. And this is your living room. This house has nice furniture. Not sure if you could get it put in with the regular price. So this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 2,500 square feet of the house proper. And then you also have a cantina downstairs. So here's one of the bathrooms, full bath. Big shower, nice to see. Don't think I've ever seen that color of toilet before, like a mustard yellow orange. All right, let's see what we have upstairs. Like the light. The light's nice. Pretty choice. Wood floors, tile floors. Nice. You're always looking out the window there.
It's just the views here. Beautiful.
Yeah. We hit the right day, didn't we?
Yeah.
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Oh, I know.
We're going to be in Lucca, Centro Storico tomorrow. Video will be on at some point. I'm going to go see the bathroom real quick. So this is the second bathroom. You know, 1900s, they didn't plan out as many bathrooms. Not everything is en suite. One bedroom and one bathroom, always paired up. That's a nice one. If you like the old style, I don't see a lot in this house that you would have to do. I think this is all things that if you wanted to do something, you could. Just a twin bed and a ton of furniture in this one. I bet you could have put a full bed in here. So quiet. So you could walk down to the village proper from here. It'd be about a 3 or 4 minute walk. That would be to Bagni di Lucca. And in Bagni di Lucca, there's pretty much all services, even some medical. But a main hospital would probably be 20, 25 minutes away in Lucca itself. So we've been there. Let me come in here. So here's your wood floors. Everything's tight. Everything's in great condition. Nice wood beams. So 2,500 square feet, 1900s build. Everything works. Possibility for a pool. If you wanted to redo the bathrooms, I would say it'd probably cost you about 10 to 12,000 euros to do a complete redo of the bedrooms, excuse me, of the bathrooms. Boy, the built-in, huh? Happy.
Yeah.
Felici.
They say you can remove this, the whole wall, and just make it open.
Yeah, but I don't know what you would use that for. I'd keep it as an office myself. But little veranda.
You forgot something. A fireplace.
Oh, yeah, well, I was so looking at the... room for a king bed. I'd lose that right away. So yeah, I see it as 4 bedrooms, office where you're standing. One of the bedrooms is pretty small and 1 bath up here. You can hold it up. I just wasn't going to run over to see it.
See, see.
So this is the swimming pool. See if I can get it good. That's been covered up in the backyard. Looks nice.
Yes.
I'm guessing German. Not the pool, the lady. That would be a nice addition, having a pool out there.
Yes.
Okay, guys. Well, that's the upper floor. It's a lot of house for 350,000 euros. Let's go see the Cantina. It's so peaceful. Yeah, this would be so much nicer when it's all cleaned up. Oh, look at this, babe.
Oh, nice. Wow. You have bench all around too.
Mm-hmm. This would be a nice little barbecue. Got to get that pool. Yeah, benches all around. But this isn't where the Cantina is. So the outside yard, this will actually lead all the way down into the town. You can get down to where all the thermal baths are. It just needs to be cleaned up. No one's living here right now. Obviously, they still have all their stuff here. And all of this needs to be just mowed and weed whacked, and this place would be really nice. So now we're gonna go inside the Cantina, and it's actually been pretty well finished out. I mean, it almost looks like a regular room down here. You have water. Of course, you have your mechanical stuff. That's your whole house hot water heater. But they do have radiant heat in here. The pool equipment is over here from where the pool was, the motors. Wow. Well, what'd you think of that house? I thought it was really well done inside. If it's your style, it's really well cared for, you can tell. The floor is in great shape. I didn't see any sign of even the smallest amount of water intrusion. The roof has been reworked. 350,000 for 2,500 square foot house. I think it's a really great deal. If you have questions on this house in particular, you need to call Francesca and email her. at this email address, and she'll give you a call or email you back, whatever you prefer. Her English is excellent, and she's the agent on this house. She'll take great care of you. It's up here, like I said, in Bagni di Lucca. We're about 30 miles outside of Lucca, the famous town of Lucca. So if you don't want to be down in all the hubbub, you can come up here and have a place that's really nice and quiet. If you need me, go to bradsworld.it. I have a new button on there. You can look at information on getting finance finally. Banks are starting a little bit to come out and do loans to expats. It's still very difficult. I could never get one done. I started buying just around the time of the Ukraine war. That affected the euro. It went down to parity, even below parity with the dollar. They didn't want to make a lot of loans to foreigners, so I missed out on it. But you can go and possibly get a loan. There's parameters on the page, what they'll be looking for as far as loan amounts, what you can expect for terms of the loan, interest, as well as years. And just fill out the little form to me. There's no personal information other than your name and address, where you're from, what you're looking for, where it's at, but no financial information to me. Then I'll go over it with you, and then we'll be getting you in touch with the loan brokers who will take great care of you. If you haven't already, get my book. It's on Amazon or on my website at bradsworld.it. I think you'll find it interesting and give you a lot of information on buying properties here in Italy. And I hope you get a chance to pick that up. Olivia says hello and goodbye, and we'll see you guys next time on Brad's World, all right? Ciao.